it's too single file here, guys.
It's actually nice and under here, right?
It's nice.
Really nice. It's like 23 degrees right now under here.
It's really nice. 23 degrees is nice.
Yeah, it's perfect. Great riding weather.
So, show a swamp over there.
Yeah.
Nice new road too.
Seamlessly. Want to scrub your tires in you?
Yeah.
I should.
Yeah, they didn't get that sketchy ass.
Oh shit, we're already here at the power station.
This is it?
Damn,
Get over here.
so quick.
Does it
Right.
go anywhere, or this is a dead end?
Ah.
There's
Oh,
no way that this was the only part of the ride.
This is
Hi.
really, really close. I wanted to stop here somewhere.
Keep going.
Hey guys,
Oh wow, look at it. It's
quite nice here.
a dam.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take you guys right.
Okay.
Oh.
'Cause we would normally go to left, but I didn't know
Dave
there's
Lake.
such a short ride.
That's Dave Lake and that's Hayward down there.
Yeah, you guys wouldn't want to go to Save. It's just all gravel.
Oh, I know. I'm just saying that's Dave Lake right there.
Hey man, I don't care. Look at my bike.
Yeah, I'll pass the gravel.
Oh, we could have gone down there.
This
Oh,
like,
what's down there? Oh, it's a parking lot down there.
Railway trail.
Yeah. Congrats.
Quite nice.
Yeah.
Road there.
What's down here?
This guy in the truck going at a good pace.
There
He
was
is.
Trailhead.
I know we're going, and he's still ahead of us.
Most of the trucks are.
Dooley's like in the lead.
So we're totally deviating from our trip,
That's okay.
Oh no. Whatever.
but I want to get to a pullout somewhere.
Well, I'll give you a
I'll pull out.
We can puzzle close to Lakeview, yeah?
Our house. Okay, stop there.
Oh,
So we're not
Attraction.
there yet.
No, that was just the I guess the dam,
Bridge. Okay.
bridge, dam.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, it stinks. Oh, skunk. Gross.
Oh, it is.
Oh.
Oh, frick.
How many times did Toby get skunked, man?
Like 10. It's not even like.
What a fucking idiot.
Go chase a stripy cat.
Every time.
Still,
You guys give him like tomato baths? Or
No,
what?
you give them like it's a hydrogen peroxide, Dawn, a mix like that. It actually kills it really good.
tomato sauce.
Huh?
Tomato sauce.
No, it apparently doesn't work that well.
I know, but you did use it, right? Or did you-
Uh,
I know I did. I used it on Kobe. Tomato sauce. Oh man,
I gotta get my dog a bath today. He's not gonna like it.
it smelled like tomato sauce for weeks.
I don't bathe Chenda at all.
Really?
Don't?
It's not good for them.
Well, no, you should at least once a year.
No.
they get really oily in the shake though.
No, she never smelled at all until we gave her a bath.
Oh,
Yeah, well, that disappears.
your dog smells a bit too, Dave.
I'll be able to taste it.
Oh yeah, he smelled. Toby smelled a little bit, but he wasn't bad.
He was just very greasy.
Toby, no.
Toby was very greasy.
Honey was way greasier.
Rex was the greasiest.
Oh man, he was oily. He used to leave a grease patch on the carpet.
Yeah.
The Jack Ranch. This is a
Surrey Jack Ranch?
Pump Jack.
Jack Ranch.
Go ahead. Yeah, go, G. Oh, gee, you almost died.
I know, eh?
It's quite nice.
Yeah, I'm liking this.
I have.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind. I don't know how you guys feel. Maybe getting some food on the way home.
Yeah, hungry.
I know he is kind of bubbly.
I could eat. Yeah, but
I need some lunch somewhere.
You could buy some corn, wrap it up, and just leave it on the edges.
That's true.
Oh.
He's like, no.
Too tough. Too much of a tough guy.
Okay, when he falls, I'll just tell the road to fuck off. No,
He didn't wave at all.
Nope. Nope, not a thing.
I don't wait for bikes.
Jap crap.
Except for the Austrian crab at the front.
And the British crap.
British crab in the middle.
Hi, Nathan. Hi, guys.
Hi. That's one of my hobby farms, 4.5 acres.
Take the 4.5 acre.
Yeah.
4.5 acres out here would be pretty nice.
That way. Dirt bike track.
Yeah.
Totally would.
Matt has one in his backyard.
Pretty much.
Mike Stronach.
Oh, Raleigh Lake is over that way. Okay.
What? Sure, we passed it already. Hey, Garrett, have you ever taken that bike to the track?
No,
Uh,
I don't know. I guess you need a tether, right?
yeah.
And
No,
then
not your bike. Not
No,
your
if it
bike.
has a tip-over switch, you're fine.
Yeah, you're fine.
yeah,
But you need a leather jacket.
yeah. I got a jacket. I don't have pants anymore.
I don't think that matters until you're going under a certain
Yeah, I can't believe they just asked for a leather jacket.
Really, no pants?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it depends on how fast you're going, but that thing will go 9s, man.
Hmm.
Yeah, there's like 10 seconds or something you need to be
Hmm.
Well, yeah.
minimum.
That bike will probably touch low 10.
Do we still have Matt?
Oh, we lost him.
Wow.
Just give it a minute. I think he'll come back in. I'm not going to do anything.
Yeah, you didn't do anything last time, right? What
I
did you?
gave...
Watch out for the doors.
There they are.
They're back.
Why do you guys keep cutting out?
Yeah.
Oh, look at all these parking
They're all
parked
going to the
cars
lake.
the side.
Well, they're.
This is how bad it is, Save Lake.
Is
Oh,
this,
Rowley Park we just passed.
Yeah. This is crazy.
You
this
know what?
is Dave already?
How's that bubble working, guys?
Bubble.
Well, that's why, it's like climbing again.
I blame 5G.
So I blame Huawei, 5G,
Okay.
Colgate, Tom Hanks,
And don't forget Soros.
Soros, Bezos.
Let's eat at the ranch.
Oh, they closed it. I can't even
Is
make
that
a
Jack?
left, right in here. Shit.
Or full.
Oh, they totally closed it.
Nice, Bronco.
Shit. I wanted to go in there. Okay, so that's Save Lake. They still got cops. Oh, that's not a cop.
Ranger?
So something happened there a few
Was,
weeks
was
ago.
that a dirt road?
Yeah, it's a dirt road all the way up.
This is where you went, huh? Okay.
Sweet.
These are more,
Oh,
more
man.
cops on the right. Look at all the cops. Holy crap.
Ah,
Oh,
shit.
there's
Everything's closed. I can't even stop over there.
Oh, those aren't cops. Those are just.
Yeah.
Stop.
Alright,
30K.
find a nice spot. That's
Yeah.
pretty nice over here. Nice twisties here.
Really nice.
That is 30, though.
Oh man, so many. Like this.
Brakes.
Looks kind of like thing in
This
the
should
middle
be
here.
Yeah.
murder on a
Never
bicycle,
actually been
eh?
out here before. This is really neat.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. You're right.
Come on, nice. Oh, I want to go swim, man.
Damn.
Have a swimsuit with me.
Another dam.
That's okay.
Oh shoot, where are we going?
Cool.
Oh well, let's just keep going.
Cool.
Find out. It's really interesting.
Does this go
Oh,
all the way around?
The big truck. Oh, big truck.
Truck coming, yeah. Truck. Okay.
We're gonna have to come back this way, right? Under hairpin.
I guess what's sketchy is here. There could be a stopped car afterwards.
Yeah.
I can't decide what gear I'm in. I'm freaking having to go to first.
Yeah, I heard you there.
I've been in second. I can kind of lugging around these forests.
Second usually.
Your bike has way more torque than mine does. Oh,
Oh,
not
yeah.
the peak, but everywhere where it counts.
I don't think Ian has any problem.
I'm in fourth.
I use it fourth gear.
That bike can probably do it too.
Yeah, I don't know about fourth. Third, I could do it.
This is nice.
Beauty.
Howdy, fellas. Yeah, got away from
I
those.
wonder how slow those guys are going to go around the corners.
Yeah.
That guy on our trip, remember?
Yeah. Oh,
How
man.
he was going? Oh, man, he
He
was...
was clean. He was
Harley
not
would
clean.
not lead.
I'm just gonna turn right in here, guys.
Okay, turning
Right,
right.
turning right.
Matt, you're turning right.
Okay,
It's a parking lot now.
prepare your
Does it
tire.
go?
Why are we going down here?
I just want to stop.
Prepare
I've
for
been
the
wanting
leaving
to
in.
stop for a while.
Is this a... Oh, it's a park.
Yeah.
It's all full. Whatever.
Watch the needles.
Surprised they don't have cops here.
It's all full. We can't
Block
park
in the
anywhere. I mean, there's a handicap.
We can probably just park along the side here.
Yeah.
This person leaving?
Oh, it's a nice trailhead.
Oh.
Drive down it.